Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of this video, and again this looks like a leveling thing, although I'm sure it's not. It says radius on it. Very strange looking, and also the instructions are kind of scattered across the floor. Now this thing here, you can't just take it, or can you? Let's see. So you can't just pull this open, and hopefully the rest of the thing will just come out. Like the magic that it is. I'm just trying to figure out if there's anything else in the box, but I don't think so, so I guess this is it. The Thermacell. Thermacell. Cool. Now, I guess you have to remove that before you use it. There's a button on there. I guess this is where the charging port is. And yeah, I guess that's all I can tell you without reading the instructions.
Likey.